Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope I'm not obstructing anything. So basically I'm heading to town. Sorry, I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but I'm heading to town. I'm close to the road at the moment, and you can see cars passing by my side. So I'm heading to town. I've got a couple of things I want to do. Hello besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just flinging my hands. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time in this place, you're highly welcome. Please feel free to join the family, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up in this video, in this vlog. So you're welcome to another vlog. By the way, happy new month guys, happy new month to you all. And how is your month going? I hope you guys are having fun and all that. Actually, I'm doing batch cooking. I've already started a long time ago. I didn't carry you guys along and all them things. So now I want to start preparing. Guess what this is? So we did oha. Yeah, we did oha soup. So I've got like 1 2 3 4 5 oha here that I'm gonna be using. So there's the African shop I usually get my African things from. So the other place I get my oha or whatsoever fresh vegetable that I need, and I order it from the lady. She's a very nice person, so whenever I order it from her, she gets it for me, and once it arrives, she just lets me know. So I think I got this on Wednesday, but it has gone like out of freshness a little bit, but it's still in the process. I can still use it. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's a little bit bad, but not too bad though. It can still be managed. The house is so quiet. I know most of you might be wondering why the house is so quiet. So, except maybe the sounds of birds. The house is so quiet. So basically, Hobby has gone to get the kids back from school. So I'm at home with the new baby. She's just over there. So that's basically what it has been. It's quite cloudy today. So tomorrow is bonfire night. So yeah, that's what it has been, and I'm looking forward to it. So tomorrow is bonfire night. Yesterday was Halloween celebration / Diwali for those of the Indian people. So yesterday was Diwali and Halloween celebration. Like yesterday was just, last night was mad, seriously, because it was so noisy. It was really noisy because of all the fireworks going on, and basically it's all the fireworks and all the noises and all them things. So it was just very noisy. And tomorrow is another noisy. Yeah, tomorrow I think it's on the 2nd. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be another noisy day again. So how many of you have started preparing for Christmas? So if you have started preparing for Christmas, just let me know in the comment section down below. When is your Christmas tree going up? Because last year my Christmas tree didn't go up that early because we moved house. So we moved into our new house, and when we moved, it was about, oh my god, today is 1 year. So basically today is 1 year I've lived in this house. Wow, how time flies. Yeah, because we moved in October, 1st October last year, and so today's, oh sorry, not 1st October, 1st November. Yeah, it was 1st November last year, and today is 1st November, so it's 1 year. So it's celebrating 1 year anniversary living in this new house. It's been fun. It's been a happy moment, a happy phase with everything that's been going on and all them things. So it's 1 year anniversary that we're celebrating, and I'm so excited. Yeah, really. Okay. Cool. Oh, my papa. Yeah. Oh man. These are really beautiful. Very beautiful. Huh? It's turning around. We are outside, guys. Oh my god, my hair is wet. Dindu, don't go out, so please.
Please going to the fire.
Where are we going?
We going to the fire park.
So today is basically, yes. So basically today is Abbey Park Fun Fair and Bonfire Night, not Fun Fair. So basically today is Abbey Park Bonfire Night, and that's why we're outside. We came out to experience the fireworks and all them things. So we're outside, guys, but unfortunately it's just raining, but not too much, just a little bit of rain. That's what it's doing. Ooh, wow! Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Oh my god, this is magical. This is, wow, that is beautiful. Yeah. Udimayen lama eh. Wow! Wow! Oh my god, guys, that was, huh? Okay, that was massive. That was massive. Seriously. So the fireworks displaying is finished, and we're heading home now. So we're heading to where we are parked. First of all, we'll get the kids this shiny things. Is it glow in the night? I think so. That's what it's called. It says it's glow in the night. So basically that's what we're going to be getting, and then we will head straight to where we're parked and straight home. Mama, come on, hold on. How much is it, please?
The most of them, they are 10 pounds.
Those flowers, enough flowers. So you know when it's fall like this and all the leaves turns yellow, orange. It's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous, lovely. It's gorgeous. Seriously. It's just beautiful. Those
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you. But I told you so.
So what? And he did this thing. He's a fucking bird. Nobody speaks in this. Unbelievable.